Welcome to Dee's Plantation in Grand Bay, Alabama. This beautiful AVERY floor plan is a 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths. The family room has beautiful double tray ceilings along with gorgeous crown molding. This kitchen is open to the family room. It has a breakfast nook and you have double French doors leading out to the covered porch. It features a large granite island with a farm-style sink. The primary suite has a double tray ceilings. This home features all wood shelving in all closets and pantry. It features a tankless water heater and gas range. There's luxury vinyl plank throughout this home. Absolutely no carpet. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. These D.R. Horton homes come with a 1-year builder's warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. Don't forget to ask about the smart home package and how much the builder will pay towards your buyer's closing cost. Frankie Wink, 251-234-9919.